How could you? I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. You see? You say you didn't mean it, but I think you did.
How could you think that?
Because, I'm sorry, I've forgotten my line.
Cut. Not to worry, my darling. It happens to the best of us. Just take a moment and let's just go again.
Hello everyone. How are we doing? Running on time and budget, I hope. Oh, sorry. Are we in the middle of a take? I'll sit down and be quiet. You shan't hear a peep.
I'm ready.
Okay, everyone. Pictures up.
Roll sound and camera. Rolling.
Rolling.
Action.
How could you? I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. You see? You say you didn't mean it.
Cut. What? You can't say cut. It's my job.
The mic was in. Dude, pay attention.
Sorry, it won't happen again.
Okay.
Could we just make a few adjustments? A little bit here, cover those wrinkles.
What wrinkles?
You're doing absolutely wonderful, darling. You look absolutely stunning.
Okay, let's hurry up as we are running out of time.
Could I add a red sweater hanging over her shoulders? It will help portray the anger she's feeling. Lovely idea, darling. I thought Sally was the angry one.
Yeah, doesn't you feel sorry?
Did you read the script? No, but...
Are you the director? No, but... Everyone be quiet. We're going again. Pictures up. Roll sound, roll camera.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Action.
How could you? I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
How many times? You cannot say cut. It is my job.
You really can't do it. Sorry, the focus went out. Oops. My bad. Really sorry.
How are you getting her out of focus? She's sitting still.
I told you how to do your job.
To be fair, you just did. Nobody asked you.
Hey, what's your problem? Okay, everyone shut up. We're going again. Roll sound and camera.
Rolling.
Rolling.
And action.
Cut.
What? You can't say cut?
Technically, I can. I'm the producer. Higher rank. Look, I'm just feeling a little bit of tension on set.
That's because it's the end of the day and we want to go home.
There's that anger. Love that you keep in character, even when talking to the producer.
You're not actually meant to be that angry.
I wasn't acting.
I think the red jumper is going to her head.
Maybe it should be on Sally. May I?
Please do, but hurry.
May I?
Yes.
Perfect. We can fix it in post.
I hope so.
Okay, everyone, pictures up. Actors ready. Roll sound, roll camera.
Action. Sorry, my batteries have gone.
You said you were rolling.
No, I didn't. You said action straight away. I said no such thing.
You did. The camera isn't rolling either.
Can we just get this done already? I have a reservation at Benny's.
I do as well. Do you want to carpool?
I'd rather poop in our hands and clap.
Rude. Okay, I can see yet again tensions are high. Why don't I take you all out to Benny's? It's a group bonding activity. Blow off some steam.
Sounds good to me.
After the scene, obviously, we can't be running behind. Time is money.
Gaffers! Where's the gaffers? Someone get them in here to fix this.
Where are they?
They're your department.
Do you have a problem with the way I run my department?
I know where everyone is in my department. That's because it's only you.
Exactly.
Are we doing this or what?
Okay, Benny's on me. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Someone find the gaffers.
You will never take my mind, Stone Thanos. Do you know why? Because we have Hulk smash! pretty sure it's blue and yellow.
It must be blue and green.
It's blue, right?
The boy's right.
Is that a metaphor the writer created? That Thanos is more powerful than Hulk and Vision, even without the Infinity Stones?
Oh my god.
Wait. Blue and red make purple. The Hulk is... You know what? Does not matter. Shouldn't let us be on set just in case they need us for something?
That's a real knee slapper.
Boy, we're so green. Technically, we should be on set, but if we are, all we do is stand there for hours doing a squat. That's why we don't hear in a little hideout. And they have radios to call us when needed.
Breaker, what's your 10th floor?
Just at the old pit stop, Max and relaxing, ain't too taxing. What's your turn for, Green Bandit?
Ooh, nice name. Well, Red Rider, I also happen to be maxing and relaxing my grandma's selfish sweet potato pie.
I hate to say it, but should the assistant director have one of those?
Oh shoot, Justin, quick, go see if they need us for anything. But if they do, be smooth about it. Say we're fixing something back here.
How long have you been doing this job for?
Before you were a twinkle in your mom's eye.
I'm pretty sure I'm older than you.
I'm older than you think. I just don't age. You wanna know a little secret? Do as little as possible.
No one's there.
Nice, we're finished. Let's go, boys.
Don't we need to give the B-roll their gear?
I gave it to them this morning.
No, you gave them the old batteries from yesterday, not the recharged ones.
Now what's the worst thing that can happen?
They run out of batteries.
Exactly, and the best is they don't, and no one knows our mistake, but if we tell them, we'll be in trouble either way.
So we go with the best case scenario?
Surely worst case.
Okay, there's so much to learn. Let's go, boys.
We always get the new kid. Just so lucky, I guess.
So, when does the director get here?
I'm already here.
No, I mean the real director.
She is the real director.
Oh, so you're using the company's equipment to shoot your own film?
No, I'm the director of the second unit. We do the B-roll.
And who's this B-roll second unit?
Seriously? You went to film school, right?
Well, no, but I watched a lot of films.
How did you get this job?
My mom is the producer.
Oh, that makes sense. She said that I'd be working with the director, but you're saying that you're the director, but you're not the real director of this film. As I said, I'm the director of the second unit. We film the B-roll. If I understand this correctly, the second unit is the production company, and B-roll is the film you're shooting? Is the name of the film you're shooting?
No, we are the second filming unit of the main film. And B-roll is picking up shots where the actors aren't in it so that the main director can concentrate on filming with the actors.
So you're not the real director? I'm not the main director. I'm the director of... Just never mind. My mom said that I could do the slap.
The what now?
The slap. You know, scene one, take one, action.
mean the slate or the
Clap? I don't mind doing either.
They're one and the same.
Okay, I'll do both.
Lord, help me.
So, what's your short film about?